Touchy-feely marketing suggests that love is what makes a Subaru, but the features that really define the brand are rugged styling and standard all-wheel drive. Based on the Impreza hatchback, the Crosstrek packs those two product tenets into a chunky, high-riding body that's sure to appeal to adventurous types based on its image alone. Unfortunately, the Crosstrek also possesses one of Subaru's quintessentially unrefined, underperforming four-cylinder engines and a fun-sapping optional continuously variable automatic transmission CVT. But we are unable to take any jabs at the Crosstrek's solid handling, good build quality, and impressive array of available safety and infotainment tech, which help make up for its accelerative deficiencies. In the end, what makes this Subaru also makes it very likable. High's adventurous appearance, confident handling, accessible tech options. Low's lackluster engine, drab interior, so-so cargo hauling. Verdict: a funky high rider that distills the essence of Subaru, for better and for worse. What's new for 2018? The Crosstrek was completely redesigned for 2018, as does its Impreza sibling. It now rides on a new platform. All-wheel drive remains standard, the mandatory 2.0-litre flat-four engine, which also powered the last generation Crosstrek, gets some updates for increased power and efficiency, and the standard manual transmission gains an extra gear for a total of 6. Trims and options: we'd choose the Crosstrek Space 2.0i trim level comes well equipped, for $22,710. It offers the aforementioned all-wheel drive, a 6.5-inch touchscreen with a backup camera, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. The 2.0i Premium model, for $23,510, is well worth the $800 upgrade over the entry-level model because it includes features such as heated front seats, fog lights, automatic headlights, a 6-speaker audio system. We'd stick with a base 6-speed manual transmission, but a continuously variable automatic transmission CVT is available for an extra $1,000 if you're not interested in shifting for yourself. The automatic is a requirement if you want the option for Subaru's EyeSight suite of active safety features, which includes blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and a few other systems for $1,395. The Crosstrek's 152 horsepower four-cylinder engine makes a lot of noise but doesn't offer a lot of motivation. As with many of its competitors, getting up to highway speeds can be a bit painful, no matter whether you choose the standard manual transmission or the optional automatic. Drag races between the Crosstrek and similarly sized SUV competitors will be close, albeit far from exciting. Volkswagen's all-wheel drive Golf Alltrack station wagon blows them all out of the water. A responsive throttle pedal helps the Subaru get off the line quickly, but it's a trick. Press harder and you won't get much more from the straining engine. The continuously variable automatic transmission CVT causes the engine to drone annoyingly at high RPM under acceleration, while the slick shifting manual at least gives the driver control over gear selection, even if it isn't any quicker to 60 miles per hour from a stop. Our test of a manual Crosstrek achieved the same lethargic 9.2-second run as the CVT. All-automatic transmission Crosstreks feature steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters that allow the driver to shift manually among 7 preset ratios. Tow ratings compared: the Crosstrek can tow up to 1,500 pounds, which falls short of the Jeep Compass but beats out other rivals that aren't rated to tow at all. With not only the best EPA ratings in its class but also the best results in our real-world testing, this Subaru is among the least thirsty subcompact crossovers. The government rates the Crosstrek with the CVT considerably higher than the manual transmission version, with the continuously variable slushbox earning a 4 miles per gallon bump in both city and highway tests. As such, the automatic transmission Crosstrek beats out all rivals, while the manual car is merely average among its stick-shift competitors. We've devised our own fuel economy test in an attempt to replicate how most people drive on the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile out-and-back loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We maintain a GPS verified 75 miles per hour and use the cruise control as much as possible to mimic the way many drivers behave during long trips. The CVT-equipped Crosstrek underachieved its CPA rating by 1 mile per gallon in our test, while the manual car overachieved by 2 miles per gallon. Regardless, the Subaru's real-world results sit at the top of the competitive set. Its pocky acceleration keeps it from being sporty, but the Crosstrek is otherwise a confident driver, with responsive handling and a well-controlled ride. Acceleration: the Crosstrek's 2.0-litre four-cylinder will leave you wanting for more grunt, as it feels strained and overworked in daily use. It also makes unpleasant noises when pushed, something you will do often given its lackadaisical acceleration. Its overly sharp throttle response off the line, especially noticeable in versions with the CVT, makes the Subaru difficult to drive smoothly in town. We appreciate that Subaru offers an easy-shifting 6-speed manual transmission as standard, but the stick shift doesn't help acceleration numbers, as it only matched the automatic's 9.2-second run from 0 to 60 miles per hour in our testing. Ride, handling, and steering: with its heavy steering and composed ride, the Crosstrek feels solid and planted through corners, and our skid pad testing reveals that it grips the road as well as the best of its competitors. The suspension is tuned to be firm but not harsh and soak up larger bumps with ease. Braking: the Crosstrek stops shorter than all its close rivals. The pedal is firm and inspires confidence when you apply the brakes.